Hi guys, I wanted to show you what I recently purchased from the Louis Vuitton. So I have been trying and planning to do this unboxing video for quite some time, but actually couldn't make any time. So I've actually used this, to be very honest. So this is no more of an unboxing video, but what I would like to show you is the bag that I had been craving for God knows, like for ages. So let's open it in front of you guys. Well, I have already seen it, and this is, are you guys ready? So this is nothing but the Petite Mal bag from Louis Vuitton. So I have already been craving for this bag, God knows, for ages, because when I saw this bag for the first time, I fell in love with this, and I think that was like 5 or 6 seasons back, and this is it. So finally I purchased this bag, and there were a few reasons why I wasn't buying this bag for like 5 or 6 seasons back. So the first time when I saw it, I think it was in the fall collection, and then I saw the different pattern changes in their cruise collection, but never ever attempted to buy this bag. The reason is the price, because the price that I'm paying for this bag and the size that I'm getting is uncomparable. So I was thinking that why do I pay so much if I use this bag for like a couple of times a month, or maybe like 7 or 8 times a year. But then finally definitely the price was a turn off, the space was a turn off. But then what Louis Vuitton did was that they increased the size of this bag, and then they also increased price accordingly. So I thought, nah, let's go for it, because I had really been eyeing this bag. So here it is, and I'll show you how it feels like, how much space does it have, and yeah. So okay, so you can actually open it like this, and this is what you see inside. So this is the card for the letter of authenticity. So yeah, so this is the card here with the letter of authenticity. And if we talk about the space now, let me hold this back for some time now here. So if we talk about the space here, it's this much. So honestly, the space isn't that much, but the demerit that you see in this bag is the leather thing that kind of again reduces the space, right, when you close the bag. So actually, let's do one thing. Let's see what are the items that this bag can fit when I go with this bag for some events or something. So let's see. Okay, so I have a few items here, and I'll try to fit them here. So the first thing that definitely would go into this bag would be my cell phone. So yeah, so this goes into the bag. Say I have my home keys, and it fits into my bag. Say for example, I have a eyeliner, and let me see if I can just put this charger inside by rolling this in and putting this here. So no, so I think the charger is a bummer. No, actually it's not, because it gets fitted in. And then say for example, I can put in a couple of cards into the bag before I leave home. So say for example 3 or 4 cards into the bag, and then I try to close the bag. Woo! So it fits well, and yeah, so these are the basic stuff that you would like to carry with you into a bag. And I think, yeah, honestly, doesn't deserve the price that I've paid, but at least I'm happy with the trunk construction of this bag, because that was the selling point for me. I really like the trunk construction of this bag, and the sleek style, and especially the 3 white checks, which gives it a kind of a very classy look. So yeah, honestly, I love this bag. So what do you think about it?